Let us learn how to create AI agent in ihakimi. First, go to integration and choose AI of your choice from OpenAI, DeepSeek, Gemini, or any of your choice. Enter your OpenAI API key and make sure your key is verified. If not, generate or enter different key. You can also enter organizational ID, which is optional, and click on Save. Then go to all bots and select the main bot. On the left bar, you will find AI Hub. Click on AI Agent and enter the name you want to keep for your AI agent. Then enter your AI agent description about your business, products or services, or any other additional information to train the AI agent understand your business better. Then click on Generate AI Agent Prompt button, then confirm, and you will see how other criteria of the AI agent gets filled automatically. Choose the AI model of your choice from OpenAI, DeepSeek, Gemini, or any other you feel suits your business communication. You can additionally choose parameters for your AI agent. You can also trigger a subflow after AI agent gives its last reply through advanced module. Enter your product and service information of your business. You can also add constraints manually if you feel anything is missed out. Then, choose AI functions of your choice. Click on Save and you will see that your new AI agent is created. That's it for the video. Subscribe to our channel to get updated on more ihakimi tutorial videos.